Most people think models are born with perfect features, but the truth is, looking like a model is more about strategy than pure genetics. So if you've ever asked yourself how to look like a model, today you're getting the full blueprint. This isn't about plastic surgery or filters. It's about the small, powerful changes you can make to your face, body, and overall presence that transform you from average to godlike. Stay with me till the end, because each step builds on the last, and if you apply them consistently, you'll start looking like a completely different person in just weeks. Step 1. Sculpt the face. A model's face isn't just about bone structure, it's about how defined and symmetrical it looks. Start with your jawline. Reduce face fat through hydration, low-sodium diet, and jaw exercises. A sharp jawline is one of the strongest indicators of attractiveness. Fix your skin. Clear, glowing skin immediately elevates your look. Commit to a simple skincare routine. Cleanse, moisturize, sunscreen. Add Vaseline hacks like slugging or lip care for that polished touch. Eyebrows and eyelashes frame the face, groom them. Fuller brows and darker lashes add intensity to your eyes. These details may look small, but combined, they create that model-like definition that turns heads. Step 2. The model body frame. Models don't all look the same, but they all carry a balanced, lean, and aesthetic physique. Focus on posture. Stand taller, shoulders back, chin up. Instantly, you look more dominant and photogenic. Train for the V-taper. Broad shoulders, slim waist, even basic calisthenics, push-ups, pull-ups, planks. Create this silhouette. Stay lean. You don't need to be massive. In fact, models aren't bodybuilders. They're lean, toned, and carry low body fat. It's not about size, it's about symmetry and proportion. That's what creates a model's presence. Step 3. Grooming and glow-up hacks. The smallest grooming habits separate average from model: haircut and hairstyle. Find the style that matches your face shape, teeth, and smile. Whiten them naturally, fix your oral hygiene, and train yourself to smile with confidence. Hands and nails. Well-groomed hands show discipline. Fragrance. The right scent makes you memorable. These subtle glow-up details stack together, and when people look at you, they just see someone different, someone more refined. Step 4. Style and fashion. Models know how to make clothes work for them. You don't need designer brands, you need fit, color coordination, and layering. Stick to neutral, timeless pieces: black, white, beige, navy. Make sure clothes fit your frame. Too baggy or too tight ruins the look. Accessories: a clean watch, simple chain, rings, all signal attention to detail. Fashion is about amplifying your features, not hiding them.